This is a replacement suction canister video in case one of the connections breaks off the bottom of the suction canister. Suction canister is located on the back of the unit, mounted to the wall. First thing you want to do is shut off your main suction valve. If you cannot shut off the main suction valve, you take a pair of hemostats, clamp the suction line, which turns off the suction. With your new suction canister, take the old one off the unit and replace the lines one by one, noting the location of each one, replacing it to the correct position. If you have a broken connection inside of the hose, cut the hose end off. The hose may be harder to get back on. Use some soap on the new connection, will help slide on. Replace all the hoses onto the new suction canister. Turn your valve back on. Or remove your hemostats. You've now replaced the suction canister.